Hi English learner. Ready to shop like a pro today?
Hey. I'm ready. Let's start shadowing together.
I'll say each line first, then you repeat after me.
Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Hi, I'm just browsing around today. Hi, I'm just browsing around today.
No problem. Let me know if you need help. No problem. Let me know if you need help.
Actually, do you have this in a smaller size? Actually, do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check in the back for you. Let me check in the back for you.
Thank you, I really like this color. Thank you, I really like this color.
That's our bestseller this season. That's our bestseller this season.
How much is this one here? How much is this one here?
It's $45. It's $45.
That's a bit over my budget. That's a bit over my budget.
We do have some items on sale. We do have some items on sale.
Oh really? Where can I find them? Oh really? Where can I find them?
Right over there, near the window. Right over there, near the window.
Great, I'll take a look. Great, I'll take a look.
Take your time, everything is 30% off. Take your time, everything is 30% off.
This jacket is nice. Is it on sale too? This jacket is nice. Is it on sale too?
Yes, it's now $60 instead of $80. Yes, it's now $60 instead of $80.
That's a good deal. Can I try it on? That's a good deal. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is right there. Of course, the fitting room is right there.
Perfect, I'll be right back. Perfect, I'll be right back.
Take your time, I'll wait here. Take your time, I'll wait here.
How does it look? Is the size okay? How does it look? Is the size okay?
It fits you perfectly. Looks great. It fits you perfectly. Looks great.
Think I'll take it. Do you accept cards? Think I'll take it. Do you accept cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Great. Is there a warranty on this? Great. Is there a warranty on this?
Yes, 30 days return policy. Yes, 30 days return policy.
That's reassuring. I'll go ahead and pay. That's reassuring. I'll go ahead and pay.
Perfect. Would you like a bag? Perfect. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please, a reusable one if you have it. Yes, please, a reusable one if you have it.
Of course, that's just $1 extra. Of course, that's just $1 extra.
No problem, I want to help the environment. No problem, I want to help the environment.
Thank you, we appreciate that. Thank you, we appreciate that.
So what's my total with the bag? So what's my total with the bag?
$61 including tax. $61 including tax.
Here's my card. Thank you. Here's my card. Thank you.
Thank you, please sign here. Thank you, please sign here.
All done. Will I get a receipt? All done. Will I get a receipt?
Yes, here's your receipt and card back. Yes, here's your receipt and card back.
Great. Do you have a loyalty program? Great. Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, sign up and get 10% off next purchase. Yes, sign up and get 10% off next purchase.
Sounds good. How do I sign up? Sounds good. How do I sign up?
Just scan this QR code with your phone. Just scan this QR code with your phone.
Done. I got the confirmation email. Done. I got the confirmation email.
Perfect, you'll get exclusive deals too. Perfect, you'll get exclusive deals too.
Awesome. When do you close today? Awesome. When do you close today?
We close at 9 in the evening. We close at 9 in the evening.
Good to know. I'll come back soon. Good to know. I'll come back soon.
We'd love to see you again. We'd love to see you again.
Thanks for your help. Have a great day. Thanks for your help. Have a great day.
You too, enjoy your new jacket. You too, enjoy your new jacket.
Great job. Practice these lines 3 times today.
Comment down below when you finish the challenge.
Subscribe for more shadowing videos every week.
See you in the next one. Keep practicing.